In this video, we're going to be taking a look at converting an existing image into a 3D model. Let's open up and take a look at the image in question here. So this is what was sent to me. And so you can see it's pretty straightforward. It's just the O from the Oregon ducks. That's what we need. Well, we kind of sort of already have it here. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is simply ask chat to remove the wings on this logo. So this was one that we converted earlier, and so now we'll just ask chat to remove the wings. Remove the wings on the left and right side. So let's go ahead and see what chat does for us. Well, it certainly did that, didn't it? All right, so now what we want to do is we want to add a thin border all the way around like we had in the original image. So this is where we can be a little bit crafty with chat and give it some very specific instructions, and hopefully that will help us out with our ultimate final result. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. This image is 50 millimeters tall, and what I would like to do is convert this black to white and then add a thin 1.5 millimeter contour offset suitable for 3D printing and vinyl cutting. So you see what we did there? We gave it some reference dimension. So we told it it was 50 millimeters tall and to add a 1.5 millimeter offset border. So let's just go ahead and see. We'll add that word border because I did not use that word border. Suitable for 3. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. Give it a whirl. So you can see chat gave us a gorgeous result, right? So let's go ahead and obviously we want this one. And we're going to right click and copy image. And we'll pop back over here. Let's go ahead and create a new Inkscape document. And we'll go ahead and paste it. We'll go ahead and right click and trace bitmap. We'll go ahead and hit apply. We'll bring this down here. We can come up here to path and we can choose break apart. And then we'll take that outside circle here and we'll go to object and we're going to lower it to the bottom. Let's go ahead and give it a color. And then what's left, let's go ahead and select that. Control K. And we actually have to back up a little bit because let's go into outline mode. We need this piece and this piece, yes. Control K. But this piece, the inside piece, we're going to select the outside circle here. And we're also going to do Control minus. And now we get this. So then we go ahead and set that. Now if we go back in and look at the original request here, you can see it's more or less the same. Now this one here does appear to be a bit wider. So we could just go ahead and stretch this out to make it more like that. In fact, I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's bring this in. Okay, let's go ahead and set that to the bottom here. And if we want to, let's go ahead and set this to its finished size, which in our case is going to be 52. And then what we can do here is we could just rotate this a little bit so it's a bit more straight up and down. And then we can scale it from the corner here. And then you could see proportionally, we're pretty darn close, right? So let's just go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to call it a night right there. So there is our artwork. And now we can go over to Bambu and convert it into a 3D model. All right, here we are in Bambu Studio. We're going to go ahead and hit Control I. And let's find our Oregon O cap logo that we just created in Inkscape. We're going to go ahead and scale this to 1 millimeter thick. And then we're going to come over here And we're going to define our background color as yellow, and then the foreground color is green. And then we're going to go ahead and set that piece. We're going to go to the Move tool. We'll set that piece at 1. And there we have it. We have our logo. It is 52. Let's go ahead and select both of those pieces. You can see it is basically 52 millimeters tall. Perfect. And so there you go. That logo has been converted, perfect for koozies, our cap logo that they originally requested for, or like I say, you can modify it and change the thickness and the size to for any purpose you might have. So you can see it's very, very simple to create your 3D models here in Bambu once you get your artwork straight in Inkscape. And we do have free classes every Monday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, where we go in depth on more complicated projects and simple projects as well, to teach you all the ins and outs of Inkscape, Blender, and also Bambu Studio here. To sign up for those classes, I would encourage you to go to our free Patreon and sign up for the free Patreon, because when you sign up, you automatically get an email with the class link every Monday. And so you can automatically join in on those classes. We also have a Facebook group as well with a bunch of like-minded individuals, such as yourself, that is a really great opportunity to learn from as well and share your projects and so on and so forth. All the details for our Patreon and Facebook group are in the video description below. So if you have questions, my phone number is in the video description, my email address. Feel free to reach out. If you have a logo that you need converted, we do those types of services too. Or if you want us to create the whole design, we can do that for you as well. So there you go. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.